Say hello to TeamViewer Remote, the next generation of the most trusted solution for secure remote access, control, and support. Now, even easier to use. With a fresh, intuitive, and more accessible user interface to supercharge your remote support. TeamViewer Remote is even more secure, providing you with more transparency about the incoming connection, verifying the expert is indeed who they're claiming to be. Prior to engaging with them in a remote session, our new, more intuitive, and more secure way of connecting an expert to a participant that doesn't require the sharing of ID and password. TeamViewer Remote is more efficient, so you can get things done more efficiently too. Whether you need to work remotely or support others remotely, you can now access all your devices and contacts directly in the browser from our new full-featured web app. Access quicker, fix faster, work without friction. No matter where you are, no matter what you need to do, with TeamViewer, you are right there. Get started today.